uko kadi, chukua kadi, to impeach huyu Ruto. This government cannot tolerate. We must take undercover unless will be opportunity and get unite. If you listen to your leaders and listen to them carefully, but don't judge them. Usiambie kila kitu huko. Sawa. We piga kura yako, usiambie mtu. But we are saying we must overdo this government. Lazima tuitoe. Mwananchi anafinyika. Ama sio?